And we are back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a circle spiral in Illustrator. Let us use the spiral tool. We only have a stroke color and no fill. Then drag it, use up and down to adjust the length. This should be fine. Have at first only one point as a stroke blade. Now let us center it. And then go to Window and activate the stroke menu. We will add a dashed line. And let me zoom in. I hold Alt and use the mouse wheel for that. And now I adjust the dash size first and add a little bit of gap. At first your cap might not be rounded. And if you go down with your dash size, you only have these little lines. If you make your caps rounded, you will have circles automatically. Now I'll increase the gap and I add some stroke weight. These two options, they help you just slightly to adjust the distance between the circles, adjust it according to your example. And that's one way to create such a spiral, but all of the circles have the same size. What if we want to create something that has a different effect, where the circles in the middle of the spiral are smaller than the ones on the outside? We will use the spiral tool once more, but let us get rid of the dashed line. And now we'll use the ellipse tool to create a circle. Hold shift and you've got a perfect circle. Let us switch that so we only have a fill color and no stroke. And we want to put the center position of the circle on the last point of the spiral. Just press Ctrl Y and we've got this outline mode activated. You can also go to View and Outline. We'll need a copy, so I'll hold Alt and drag a copy out of the circle. And I'll reposition that on the other anchor point of our spiral path. And then hold Shift and Alt and resize it. Maybe up to here. Now let us get rid of the stroke of the spiral and we will select both circles, holding Shift and clicking on them. Now we go to Object, Blend and Blend Options. We will need to specify steps. Let us try 40. Once again, Object, Blend and Make. And now we've got 40 circles in a row. Select it all, so including the spiral and the 40 circles. Go to Object, Blend and then replace the spine. And that's it. You can now adjust it if you go to Object, Blend and Blend Options. Adjust it while having preview checked and you can see the effect applied. And that's it. This is how you can create these circle spiral effects in Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.